Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove the bottom menu from your iPad or iPhone. So as you can see here on the app, when you touch the bottom part, the menu will show up and you will eventually go to home. So what you can do is go to settings and go to accessibility, turn on the guided access, and then you can also change your passcode settings. And then you just have to go to the app and then triple click your power button and this would show up. So input your passcode, and what this will do is it will lock the app on your screen so that you will not be able to go to the home, or the bottom menu will not show up. So to end that, you just have to double click the power button and this will show up. So that's it. That's how you remove the iPhone bottom menu. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.